Today we got some PCBA samples from our clients and they want to clean this PCBA with the cleaning machine. This product was used in military products and they want to clean the flux and residue from the PCBA. And we cannot see clearly by our eyes, but we can see it very clearly under the microscope. So let's take a look to see if we can clean it well with the cleaning machine. Let's put it inside and push the dryer inside. Okay, we shift to English menu and we click Auto Run and then automatic start. Now cleaning was completed. Let's take a look for how's the cleaning result. Let's take it out. Now we are checking under the microscope. As we can see from the monitor, it's very clean. So follow us for more information. Thanks for watching.